Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log into your Hotmail account in 2025 so you can access your inbox easily, whether it's on a new device or just been a while. First, open your favorite web browser and make sure it's updated for the best experience. Then, type in outlook.live.com or just search for Outlook login to reach the main page. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button at the top right and click it. This will take you to the form where you enter your Hotmail email address. Type in your Hotmail email carefully. Remember, you can use either at hotmail.com or at outlook.com. Double check for typos because even small mistakes can block access. Next, enter your password. If you want, you can click the show password option to make sure it's correct. And if you've forgotten it, just click forgot password and follow the steps to reset using your recovery email or phone. After that, click the sign in button. If everything's correct, you'll reach the Outlook homepage. From here, click on inbox to see all your emails. You're basically all set to read, reply, and manage your messages. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the inbox interface if you're new. You'll see options like calendar, contacts, and more, but your emails are right there, ready to go. And that's it. Logging into Hotmail is that simple in 2025. If you run into any issues, check your internet connection or clear your browser cache. Thanks for watching, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials.